Hello everyone. We will see the Caesar cipher implementation program today. Our first program is to implement how to implement the Caesar cipher. In this program, we will first import java.util.scanner library. Then we will make a class called as public class Caesar cipher. Here is our static function, static alphabet, and we have defined it as from A to Z in small letters. Here public static string encrypt. So this particular function is for encryption of data, and we have took here two inputs as string plain text and int shift key. We will convert plain text to lowercase and shift and string cipher key text as empty, and we will run a loop here where we will start I at initial as 0, and we will run it to the length of the plain text, the input given by us, up to I plus plus, the length of the input, and it will take its index and keep the pointer at the character at a time. And after completion of this loop, it will return ciphertext. Here we have the other code for decryption of data. Once encrypted, we need to decrypt the data. Same, we have here two inputs, ciphertext and shift key. We will convert ciphertext to lowercase. Again, we will run our loop starting from 0 up to the ciphertext length. It will go on the index of the ciphertext. Once the completion of this decryption of data, it will return plain text, and we will run the void main function. It will ask for the input by printing enter the string for encryption. Once the user has given the input, it will encrypt the data and decrypt the data, and it will print it. Now our next practical is for the implementation of the modified Caesar cipher demo. Here we will import the java.util.star, and we will make a class Caesar cipher. Same input we have given here. First we will do the encryption, then it will return the ciphertext, then we will do decryption of data along with the same two inputs, converting it into lowercase. Once done, it will return plain text. You can pause the video and write it on your own and try to run the code. Now we will make a class modified Caesar cipher demo. We will make a main method here which throws exception. It will ask for the plain text, and it will also ask for our shift key length, and it will give the output on the basis of the input given. So our next program is for the implementation of the monoalphabetic. Here we will call the library import java.util. We will make the class. We will first make a main function here with string args throws index out of bond exception. We will define the variables and the attributes. So this is our first loop. And that's all. Thank you for watching the video. For any query, comment on the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for computer science subjects and insights IAS daily current affairs for UPSC 2021 preparation if you are doing so. Have a great day ahead. Bye.